Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the CKF Custom Knife Factory Knives. FIF20 here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here, which comes with this nice classic CKF pouch, nice and velvety velcroed, extra hardware. Here you got everything basically to replace that. Of course, it comes with the classic red microfiber cloth, also from CKF, and of course you get to see the knife. This is the full Thai version for the FIF20, designed by Philippe Georget and executed in a pretty flawless way, I have to say, from Custom Knife Factory. So guys, I mean, gorgeous knife. Probably you know already this guy, but because I reviewed the carbon fiber and the bolster version in titanium, no, in zirc, I guess, and that's like a 3.5 inch long cutting edge for the blade and 4.5 inch long for the handle, with an overall length of a tad less than 8 inches. Truly a fantastic front flipper. They killed it with this titanium version. Really nicely made. It's made in Russia. Probably some parts are done in China. I don't know, but it is a Russian company, so that is making these awesome collaborations with some of the most renowned knife makers on the planet. And this is Philippe Georget, like you can see the logo right over here, and Custom Knife Factory collaboration, titanium frame lock, full titanium frame lock, stone washed finish. You see a nice industrial look for the handle, and just like a pretty cool and satin finish for the blade. Very nicely done. It's a beautiful contrast you can see from the blade and this stone washed finish for the handle. Very cool backspacer, of course. Internal skeletonization going on for the weight reduction. You can appreciate it from this point of view. You got stainless steel lock face insert, over travel stop bar integrated. You got like very simple construction, 2 handle screws, 1 pivot screw, stop pin. These screws are screwed in directly into the titanium, so I'm always a little bit iffy for that, but you got a nice clip with pretty good clip retention. Of course, you get some M390 steel numbered right over here in an unobtrusive way. Crazy thin behind the edge, full flat grind, swedged blade on top. Absolutely functional jimping, really sticky. It's a pretty cool one. There's just like a detent ball ramp missing, but overall, this is a fantastic tool, I am telling you. The weight on this guy is going to be 4.42 ounces. In your pocket, you're gonna notice this. It's not like super light, but guys, I'm telling you, this is super smooth. The noise, it's clickety clackety, clickety and clicky. Very pleasant closing, but what is outstanding, it's just this action, guys. Really smooth action, drop shot in a controlled way. You got the details dialed in, nicely done. They really nailed it. You know, especially if you compare it to the real deal, it's pretty close. You can also check out my comparison review between these two fellas if you wanna see how these guys are different, but I'm telling you, this is a well-executed collaboration, so there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.